it, Kaylin. Come on. Go for it.
That's it.
She wants the candle. Go ahead. Not the candle.
Is it cool enough?
Look at the sunshine.
Taste your finger.
Get it.
This is so funny.
Don't be so dainty. Just go in after.
Oh, making pins.
Go in after.
Drop her face
Go in
first.
after these. Come on in.
Yeah, right.
Kaylin. Kaylin.
Save them all. I just never know how many ants are doing them.
Go for it, girl.
Should I put her bib back on?
Oh, you can
That's
change her
funny.
again.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
She's got it figured out.
Good girl.
Oh, all right. Yummy, yummy.
This is better than any nap.
Oh, let's just get this in there. Good. Is that good? All right.
Cute.
Woo.
Hey,
Hey,
Lynn.
Dad, you can take a video of that too, though.
Good job, girl.
I
Yeah.
don't worry about it. Mary can just send you this one.
We do it on YouTube, so.
Look at that.
Is that good?
Give Grandma a big kiss now.
Give me a kiss.
Oh.
Getting pictures. Kaylin. Oh,
Way up the arm. Let's get it farther up.
Kaylin. Can you give Grandma a kiss?
She got a glove of ice
Grandma a
cream.
kiss. How about the whole cake, Grandma? Do I get a kiss? Give Grandma a kiss. Give Grandma a kiss.
Like, no, I need my cake.
Yeah,
Kaylin.
that's working just fine.
How about a little piece of cake, huh, baby girl? You want to try this?
In the back sheet. If you want to find an address, I can put an address.
Nope.
She's not going to be able to trace that over the frosting.
We're going to need some water, Grandma.